If you're like many healthy adults, you may experience occasional joint discomfort, keeping you from the freedom of active living. If this is you, you'll want to learn more about UC2. UC2 is made of a unique type of collagen called undenatured type 2 collagen. When you take this special type of collagen, it travels to a specialized region of the small intestine called the Peyer's patch. Once there, UC2 undenatured type 2 collagen interacts with immunity cells to produce two very specific peptides. These peptides travel through your body, sending signals to clean up any worn-out joint tissue. This allows new joint tissue, called cartilage, to be formed, thereby helping to improve the function and comfort of the joint. UC2 undenatured type 2 collagen is so effective, it only takes one small daily pill to work, and it's clinically shown to work better than glucosamine and chondroitin. Find UC2 undenatured type 2 collagen where quality dietary supplements are sold.